Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced on Steam. Whether you want to switch the game to English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, or another supported language, the process only takes a few moments. Let's get started. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Right-click the game and select Properties. Make sure you're on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Language section. Click the Language drop-down menu. Now select the language you want to use. Once you've selected a new language, simply close the Properties window. Steam will automatically begin downloading the language files if they're required. Wait for the download to finish before launching the game. Once the download is complete, launch Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. The game should now start using the language you selected. That's all there is to it. You have successfully changed the language in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced on Steam. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Steam tutorials, PC gaming tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.